Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am pulled out for a flight. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं pull out हो जाऊंगी और got pulled out. It was still fine because लंबा layover है. ये किस चीज़ की आवाज़ आ रही है? Sorry for the disturbance. पता नहीं किस चीज़ की आवाज़ थी, but it stopped automatically. So I got pulled out.
What?
Like when we talk about a pullout, that means you are either on an airport standby or you're on home reserve. So मैं थी home reserve पे, रात को मुझे pull out किया standby के लिए. Standby से a crew could not make it, so I got pulled out for this flight. And yeah, I mean it's a pretty long layover, so spend a day with me and I'm going to show you around just a random stuff. I'm not packed enough. I mean, I have the mandate stuff, like I have my night kit, I have my formals, I've got my casuals, but I did not really pack for a layover if I am vlogging. So it's going to be a random day with me, but it's going to be fun. Now I think I am taking a nap because I've been up since whole night. I had my airport standby at like 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, it was supposed to be till 9:30 a.m. I thought I might go home, sleep, do my stuff and all of those things, but मुझे pull out किया. So pull out पे आने के बाद कुछ खास है नहीं करने को. Not going out अभी. Or if you want really me to explore places and show you guys that as well, go ahead and comment it. तो मैं वो try करूँगी fit in करने के लिए. I'm thinking and I'm planning that I might just go off to sleep for some time. I have been tired. I will go off to sleep for some time. I'll take a nap. Not sleep, but yeah, I'll take a nap. That's all about being a cabin crew. It's a fun job, but it's unpredictable as well. होता ये है कि आप प्लान करके कुछ चाहते हो और कहीं और पहुंच जाते हो. So it's better not to plan too much. अच्छी philosophy हो गई. I will also read a book, but I don't know how many of you are interested in that. तो मैं अकेली पढ़ लूँगी, ठीक है? And I will see you guys in some time. Till then, bye. It was a long layover, so I had pretty good resting time. So, or see, a lot of you keep on asking कि cabin crew के बारे में. You really want to know, you know, what's a day in the life of a cabin crew and what you actually do. So in the morning I woke up and now I'm here in the afternoon. I mean, I landed around 9. I completed my stuff and we checked out. Like we left the airport by 9:40. एंड वी रीच होटल बाय 11 क्योंकि होटल काफ़ी दूर था, तो हमें आने में काफ़ी टाइम लग गया. सो आने के बाद चेक इन किया एंड लकीली होटल स्टाफ वाज वेरी काइंड और उन लोग ने खाना रखा हुआ था. आई मीन ब्रेकफास्ट था. दे डिड नॉट क्लोज द बुफे सो वी कुड मैनेज इट. अदरवाइज हाँ, इन रूम डाइनिंग के भी ऑप्शंस होते हैं अगर बुफे क्लोज हो गया एंड यू आर लैंडिंग ऑन ऑर्डर इन ऑड आवर्स ड्यूरिंग ऑड आवर्स. So I am ready and I'm going down for my lunch. So let's just talk. Alright, so when we talk about a cabin crew's life and a cabin crew's responsibility, and especially to those of you jinko banna hai cabin crew, I would suggest go ahead, work on yourself in terms of your personality. It is very important. Also, at the same time, go ahead and work on your English and your communication. Now, English is a global language and it is going to be very important for you to be fluent in English. Does not necessarily mean that you need to know the Oxford English, nothing like that. But it has to be conversational and you need to be confident and fluent with it. For example, if you say, is grammar important? Yes, grammar is very, very, very important. Reason is कि अगर मैं कुछ बता रही हूँ कि जो अभी हो रहा है, आई कैन नॉट गो अहेड एंड यूज पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस विद इट. सो आपको वो बेसिक जो चीज़ें हैं वो आनी ज़रूरी है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सही होने ज़रूरी है. एंड देन यस, इट्स गोइंग टू बी ईजी फॉर यू if you're fluent with your communication, if you meet the basic eligibility criteria that's listed on the airline's official page, and you are confident, you're smiling, you're doing everything, then I'm pretty sure that it would be easier for you. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I post a lot of videos on helping you guys ace your cabin crew interviews. Also, if you have comments, if you have questions, write it down to me in comment section below. Let me see when and how can I get back to you on this. And so yeah, ये बातें हो गई. अब चलो खाना खाने चलते हैं. Let's go have lunch, you people. I can't do my life without a sanitizer. Oh. And the food is not that spicy. It's not too bland as well. It's good for me because I don't do spicy food. It doesn't suit me. And it's good. How much should I give it? It's like 8. Not that bad, but not that wow as well. It's a kind of 7.5 is something that I would round it up for this. The breakfast was good, much better. But then the food is like this. I mean, it's nice. It's fresh. The chicken is fresh. The vegetables are fresh, and I do have some sabzi as well. So I'm going to try this as well. Sabzi is really nice. Something that gives me a little home cooked vibe. So it's like not oily. It's not, I would say, spicy, but it's perfectly cooked, and I love the vegetables. Seeing everything, people feel like it's a very fascinating life. It is in a way, but it requires a lot of hard work, and you need to be up at 2 a.m. Like I said, I'm not slept. मैं सोई नहीं हूँ, and I'm up since last night. Pull out हुई, यहाँ पे आई. Now I just had a nap, and now I'm having my lunch. I need to take care of my calories, carbs, what's going in. I need to take care of how much I'm working out, as well as I need to really be prepared for what comes next. Flying is hectic. सब जो कहते हैं कि हाँ, flying is not for everyone. It's not like that. हर job का और हर काम का अपना pros and cons होता है. Like if you keep on sitting whole day, your back is gonna ache. Similarly, if you're going to work whole day and you're going to have odd hours or boring timings, तो होता है कि आपकी बॉडी अगर आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो तो जवाब दे देती है. But if you're really taking care of yourself, you know when to say no, you know when to stop, you know what to eat, you're just putting in the right stuff and having routine checkup. So सारी चीज़ें, I'm sure everything is going to be fine. So अब मैं कर रही हूँ लंच, क्योंकि लंच अच्छा है. तीखा नहीं है तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पे कोई और नहीं आया अभी तक, मैं ही सबसे पहले आ गई हूँ। आप लोग भी खाना खाओ यार, ठीक है, बाद में बात करती हूँ। Sure, thank you. Well, I'm back in my room, and I just got this fresh watermelon juice because I'm going to work out after like 3 hours. I mean, I don't know, my schedule has gone for a toss, so I'm not keeping a check of everything. But rakhna chahiye yaar. I have been very particular, so. So I ordered in room. I didn't feel like going down, तो मैंने खाना in room में order किया है. मेरा बहुत ही comfort food है soup and pasta. It's not that late, so I'm eating pasta और उसके बाद I'll take a walk. It's too spicy. I'll give it like a 1. It's too spicy. And now when we talk about pasta, it looks good, but when I tasted it, it's a little bland. I didn't like the sauces that much, but I still have it. This is my comfort food. Not very well done, but hey, take it. It's not that bad as well. It's good. And give it 5. It's not like the best pasta I've had, but it's good to do. I just like 2 veggies. Like I like broccolis and I like black olives. They have done that for me, and I'm grateful for that. So I can give it a +2 for that. So उसी के लिए +2 है. Otherwise the food is like okay, but the soup is not too spicy. So I'll have to balance it up with something. And then हाँ मैं walk लूँगी. I cannot sleep after having food. Garlic bread compensates for the spiciness of the soup. And it's just butter and there's no garlic in the garlic bread. I see some chili flakes which I am trying to remove. Achhi flight thi aaj, and we had a birthday on board. It was very nice. The couple was quite into their 60s. Or her birthday pe, that the lady who was traveling, she told me कि her birthday pe, every birthday her husband surprises her by gifting her a holiday. And इस बार they were planning India holiday, और India में ही घूमना था, तो they were coming with us explore the northeast side. They have been to different parts of the world, and it was such a cute couple. And we tried making it special on board, और हम लोगों ने उनके साथ थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड किया, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया. And this is what the job is all about. I really love the stories you curate in the journey, and ऐसे सब लोग मिलते तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. And it was such a cute memory that I had today. It will definitely go down in my journal, and I'll have a good night's sleep because they made me smile, I made them smile, and it was such a beautiful human connection that we built. मुझे इसमें इसलिए ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है because that human connection with genuine people, now that's amazing. That's something else. So बहुत मज़ा आया था. अब खाना हो गया है, मुझे एक टैबलेट लेनी है, वो लूँगी मैं. I'll walk, और फिर हम गुड नाइट हो जाएंगे. कल कोई कॉल टाइम नहीं है, थैंकफुली. मतलब दैट्स वन रीज़न आई रियली लाइक दिस पुल आउट. एक ही सेक्टर ऑपरेट किया, कल आराम से निकलना है, सो नींद भी पूरी होनी है, सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से होनी है. सो इट वॉज अ गुड डे. एंड या नाउ आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग वॉक. इधर ही लॉबी में, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट कैरिंग माई शूज, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग डाउन. एंड आई डोंट फील लाइक ऑल्सो. पूरा लॉबी खाली है, मैं किसी को परेशान नहीं कर रही हूँ आवाज़ करके. So I'll be taking the walk here, and then I'll go off to sleep. I mean, you should be taking walk after food. हमेशा याद रखना, हेल्थ का ध्यान रखोगे तो सारी चीज़ें हैं. I realized it after at a point losing my health to some extent and then coming back. But go ahead and work on your health. खाने के बाद एक वॉक के लिए से ही चले जाओ, रात को शुगर्स अवॉइड करो, एंड गो अहेड एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ वॉक इन द लॉबी. I'll be talking over call with my family, and yeah, that's about it. I will then read maybe, or अगर नींद आ जाती है तो I'll sleep. As I said, there is no call timing, so I am going to sleep without an alarm, and that's the best thing. But I still end up waking up very early, so see you guys.